Find out the missing numbers if a certain rule is followed either row-wise or column-wise. So you have to find out this missing number. The rule either follows row-wise or it is followed column-wise. So here the rule is 20 into 7 divided by 5 gives you 28. You can see that 20 into 7 is equals to 140. 140 divided by 5 is 28. 12 into 35, you can see 12 has a 60, carry over 6, 12 is a 36, plus 6 is 42. So 420 divided by 5 gives you 84. So here, if you here assume it as x, so 9 into x divided by 5 gives you 45. So 9 into x divided by 5 gives you 45. So x is equals to 45 into 5 divided by 9. So that is equals to 25. So x is equals to 25. So here the correct option is 25.